Hello guys, welcome to Econo Talk, Economics and Businesses. Today I want to talk to you about how the fall of the real estate market works and explain in a simple way how this sector works, clarifying that even when the prices decrease, there are other variables to consider before you think that a downturn in the market could be a good opportunity to buy a property. Well, let's say you feel hungry, so you want to eat a large 8-slice pizza. You leave your house, you go to the restaurant, and you realize that the prices are very high, but you believe that at a certain point the price of pizza will decrease. So you decide to return home to wait for a better opportunity. Sometime later, you find out that the pizza is certainly cheaper, and again, as you feel hungry, you go to the restaurant. But because other people arrive before you, then you must wait sitting outside the restaurant to be able to buy the pizza and satisfy your needs. Time passes, and once inside you are surprised that market conditions have changed. To be able to buy the pizza, although cheaper, you need to finance a part of the pizza, let's say 6 of the 8 slices, because it is a large pizza, and for this the bank must qualify your purchase profile. The pizzeria helps you manage the necessary documentation because they want to sell the large 8-slice pizza. That is the business. But first, you must qualify with a bank to provide you with a loan so you can pay for the other 6 slices of pizza, since you can only pay for 2 slices. So, the reasons why you cannot buy the whole pizza is because your debt capacity or credit limit is not enough. You do not have a healthy credit record, nor a good debt-to-income ratio, and you do not have the ability to save enough to buy all the pizza in cash. In other words, for the pizzeria and the bank, your purchase intention is a risk. Therefore, they will charge you a higher interest, which will consequently increase the price of the pizza due to the additional financial cost. This pizza scenario works the same way the real estate market works, and in conjunction with your expectations, needs, confidence, and beliefs. I hope that this content has been to your liking and has added value to you. You can always subscribe to this channel and share the content. Thank you.